Hello and welcome to BMAD in Revit tutorials. In today's tutorial I would like to show you how to create roof structure, how to model roof rafters, and this will be tutorial for beginners and for professional ones also. Now here we have a house linked file of house project. I use this house as a linked file so I can move it on the topography, because in the process of design we change the position of this house many times, so I found this method the best. As I said, I insert it as a separate linked file, and in that case I can move it in any directions I want. A tutorial on how to do that you can find in the comments and description on this video, and also you can find links on how to create this walking path and how to attach it to the topography. This is top surface. I'm using Revit 2021. This is in top solid. Also you can find tutorial link with tutorial on how to modify topography, where you have supporting walls and gabion walls. Now let's start with modeling the roof rafters. First I would like to show you how to hide these rafters from the link, because I will use this model to create rafters directly into original main model. Alright, now you need to go on visibility graphics settings, and from here you go to Revit links. Here you need to choose custom, then you go to model categories, and from here you choose custom, and then you need to deselect structural framing. Yes, structural framing. When we do that, our rafters from link will disappear, and only the rafters from the link will disappear. For example, the rafters I created in original main model will be visible. Also, to modify this, we are going to have two type of solution for, just to go back, for this part here and for this part here. This is one solution with this wooden beam as supporting element for these three rafters here and these two rafters here. Also we have other solution, and that's it, the other solution. I will show you the both of them. Now I will delete these rafters here from main model. I will select them and I will delete them. Also I will delete this wooden beams. I will select them by view. Alright, and that's it. And now first I will model this for this solution. First I will model these wooden beams. You can model them from floor plans. For example, here we have only one floor plan. You go to structure, choose beam, then you choose beam you want. Let's it be this one, and and then you need to draw it. It will go to floor plan. Now when you go to section, it will be here. You just need to move it, but to do this you need to disjoin it first, and then you need to move it here. Alright, these ones are from linked file. And when you go on 3D model, that's it. We will do the same on these parts here. I will show you also how to model them from 3D view. Okay, Now I will draw it here. Okay, and when we go to section, it will be here. Now I will move it. I need to deselect constraint, and that's it. When we go to 3D view, our beam is ready. Alright, now I will show you how to add the beam from 3D view. You go to beam, and then you need to select this part here, 3D snapping. Okay, and we will choose this line, for example. Then we go on section. Sorry, I think we have, no, everything is alright. I will go to section, and I will move this in here. Now let me see. The length of this beam need to be corrected. So I will change it, for example here, and now I will unhide the roof so I can align it with this, or I can use this tool. Okay, and I will do the same from this side. Alright, this is great, and now I will deselect this. Alright, our wooden beams are ready. I just need 2 beams more for this part here. Okay, I will go to section, and I will copy this beam with this selected constraint. Okay, and I will copy it here too. So when we go on 3D view, our wooden beams are ready. Now I will model the rafters, but to be able to do this, first I will delete this beam system, and we are going to create roof rafters using beam system. But to do that, we need a reference roof, and we are going to create it using roof by extrusion. There is 2 ways. One way is to draw a reference plan and to choose that plan from here. Let me show you for beginners. I will select reference plan, and I will draw it here. Now I will change the name, roof. Okay, and when we go to 3D view, and when I select roof by extrusion, from here I can choose the roof. Alright, let's do in that way, or we can choose the surface, for example this surface. We can select this surface here, but in this example I will use the creating roof by extrusion, and by selecting the reference plane I draw before. Alright, that's it. Now I'm going on section, and we need the surface for new roof to be in this line here. The reason is, when we draw the rafters, roof rafters, they will be below, they will be aligned with this line here. So we will create the roof here, our reference roof, and I will change the type of the roof. It can be this one, and it's here. Now you see our roof extrusion start from reference plane I drew before, and now I will align this roof with our wooden beams. Oh, I need to move it manually from here. Okay, and now I will align it. Okay, now I need to cut these parts here of this roof, but for that I will go to this floor plan. Okay, and I will cut it using cut vertically. You can select the roof, then choose this vertically cutting, or you can go to architect, then you choose vertically cutting and you select the roof you want to cut or surface you want to cut. All right, and now I will draw this here and I will do the same here. Okay, I will move these lines a little bit out of roof. So now we have perfectly cutted roof, and we can create roof rafters now. We are going on structure. We are going to select beam system, and now we need to choose the surface where roof rafters will be positioned. All right. First I will choose this surface, and now I will draw the shape where beam system will be positioned. I will close this shape, and using this tool, beam direction, you choose in which direction the beams are going. It can go in this way, or you can manually draw the path in which direction your beam system will go. For example, just to show you an example, you see all rafters go in this way. Now I will undo this, I will delete this part, and I will select this line because I want rafters to go in this direction. Okay, now from here you can choose fixed number, fixed distance, clear spacing. Let's choose fixed number or maximum spacing. It will be 17. All right. Also from here we will choose the type of beam. It can be anyone, because this is tutorial only to show you how to model them. After we calculate the dimensions of the rafters, I will model them by that calculation. All right, they can be something like this. All right, and the same thing I will do on this side. For example, we can go on this linked file, and from here I will choose it is maximum spacing. Okay, it's the same. All right, where is our 3D view? This side is ready. Now I'm going on other side. What can we do? We can select this surface here, and now we will do the same as we did before. Okay. I will close, and now this is the direction of the beams, and we don't want them to go in that direction. We need them in this direction. So that's it. We'll choose maximum spacing, 17, and from here I will choose this one. Okay. The modeling roof rafters is finished, so I can hide this roof. Maybe we will need it later. We now need to position them in right place. Some of them are in right place, but this one here goes out. So I will unlock it so I can move it. Okay, now I will select this surface here. Maybe it is easier to go on this floor plan, and we are going on visibility graphics settings, and we will deselect roofs from here. Roofs, where are you? Here, roofs. Okay, and now it's easier for us to find the place for our rafter. Okay, this one is solved. I need to make change here. This is the other way how to unlock these rafters. Alright, we need to do the same here. We have another one here too. I will unlock it and I will align it. Alright, I think that's it. Now when we go to 3D view, the rafters are in the right place. I just will make one change here, because later when we try to cut these rafters here so we can have a perfect joint between these two rafters, to avoid the problems, to avoid cutting problems, I will move this line so they intersect each other. I will do the same from this side also. And that's it. Okay, now let me show you how to cut these rafters from here. But we have one problem here. I need more rafters, so I will duplicate these ones, but to do that I need to unlock them. I need rafters here also, and on this side I need 2 rafters more. Okay, and that's it. Now I'm going to cut them, and I will show you the easiest way to do that. We'll go to the plan view, then we are going to draw section. We are going on the section, and now I will select, first we need the reference plane. I already have reference plane here for beginners. You go here and you choose reference plane and you draw it where you want to draw it. Okay, I will delete one because I already have here a reference plane. I will select this reference plane and this rafter. Then I will go here and I will isolate them by category, so everything beside them will be hidden. And now we are going to modify, cut tool. First we need to select rafter, but before that we are going to select multiple cut, and then first we select rafters, then we select the reference plane, and then you need to select one by one just by clicking here other rafters. Now I'm clicking all of them and you will see. Alright, now I will do the same on this side. I'm clicking on the rafter and I will click the reference plan. Just to do it one more time, I am clicking rafter and then I am clicking the reference plan. Now I need to click all other rafters. I'm just pressing, alright. I'm just pressing in the same place, and every time when I click, I'm clicking the next rafter. So when we go on 3D view, you see we have perfectly cutted rafters. Okay, this is one method. Now I will show you how to create this triangle part here without this supporting wooden beams. Alright, I will delete these two and now I will also delete these rafters here. Okay, by clicking right click and by deleting this part. I will do the same on this side. I just need to unlock all of them by clicking this button, and that's it. Now to be able to create this rafters here as a triangle with different direction for rafters, I will duplicate these beams in the same place in this way, and then I will change this shape here. Okay, now actually I modified it. Now it will be triangle, and this is the direction of our new beams. I will need one rafter here, so I will go on top. Okay, it's good enough. I will move this shape a little bit inside because of cutting problems, as I said before. What is the problem here? Maybe it isn't trimmed, or everything looks okay. But the lines must be in closed lobes. Alright, then we will close them. Maybe here we have some okay, let's try it. I will delete them and I will draw it one more time by clicking here and here, and now I will trim them. Okay, now I will change the direction of these rafters here, and I will change it also. Okay, I will delete this one. I need only one, but to be able to do this I need to unlock it first and then to delete it. Okay, I need one rafter more here also. I will align it. Okay, later I will cut it. Now I need to move these two rafters on the left by clicking the arrows on the keyboard. Alright, I'm going on the right side. I want them to join with, okay, this is, I need this one. Okay, and now I need to move this one also. So later when I cut them, I want them to be perfectly joined. Alright, this is alright here. I need to duplicate this beam system in the same place, and I will modify the shape. I will delete it and I will create one new one. Okay. I just need to change the direction, so now it's ready. I need two rafters here, so I will choose fixed number. Okay. I will unlock them. I need to change this here and this here because of cutting problem. Okay, now I will disallow join, and I will go on the roof. So here I can draw the line. It will be this line here. So I can extend these beams here. Okay. And I need to move this rafter also. Okay. I will move it in this way. Okay. And now I will move this tree with these two rafters. I need to unlock this one also. I will move it using arrows on the keyboard. I will move them on left by clicking on the left arrow. Okay. This one is good. I just need to move this one more. And this one is also ready. So now I can cut them using cut tool. I will go to section, but before that I need to select this rafter and I will go to section, then I will press it, I will go back, and I will do the same with this rafter. Since this multiple cut is open, we can cut all rafters that passed from this from the where reference plane passing. All right. I also need to extend this one here also. Okay. And now I need to cut these rafters here by clicking on them and on the reference plane. I think the reference plane is hidden. I will unhide it. Okay, now all reference plane are visible now. If you now I have one reference plane here and I will use it. First you click on rafter, then on reference plane. You will do the same on the other side. Just need to disload the drawing. And oops, and we use cutting tool this way. Okay, and that's it, dear friends. When we go to our 3D view, we have these two rafters that I have copied earlier. So I will go on the roof floor, on roof plan, and using cut tool I will click on this rafter, then on the reference plane, and I will do the same with this one too. Okay, dear friends, that's it. What's left? I just need to show you how to these two rafters moved, because I moved them. There's I just need to lock them and they will be back. Okay, now I will unlock them again and I will move them one by one, or in this way. I will deselect this part here. Okay, just to see they are in the same place. That's great. In this way you can see the problems that can appear and how to solve them. So for the beginners, I think this is the good tutorial. Is everything okay here? Yes, it is. I just need to cut these two here. I will go on roof plan. Don't allow to confuse you these orange rafters. They are from the link and they are for other method I've showed you before. Okay, I move this one and now I will cut these two. Okay, and I will do the same on this side. I just need to click it one more time. Okay, and when we go in 3D view, now everything looks okay. Alright, and dear friends, this is all for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share my works with your friends and colleagues. But before end, I want to show you this method before, but I forgot it. Now I will show you. If you want to cut this part here, first you select the element that will be cutted, then you select the element that cuts. Okay, and this is the, if you want to have perfectly created 3D models, but you don't need this. Only if when you make a presentations, you can use this method. To be able to cut this thermal insulation layer, you need to use the join geometry tool, and by clicking them you can create these cutting parts here. Alright, this is all for this tutorial. One more time, don't forget to subscribe and to share my works with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next tutorial.